Hey, what's up everybody? This is C.L.S. All-in-One. In today's video, I'll be trying out BlueDevil's Pour and Go Head Gasket Repair on a 1988 Suzuki Samurai, which happens to have a bad head gasket that is causing my coolant and exhaust to mix, thus producing white smoke that is visible coming out my exhaust. So the first step is to pour the entire bottle directly into the radiator, and you'll want to make sure your engine is completely cooled down before doing this. Next, I will fill the radiator to the proper level with factory recommended antifreeze and reinstall the radiator cap. Then I will set the heater to maximum with the fan on high and start the engine. And now I will go ahead and let this engine idle for about 50 minutes. And during this step, you'll want to keep an eye on your temperature and make sure it does not overheat, because if it does, you may have to go ahead and shut off your vehicle and abort this type of fix. And here's a look at what my vehicle is currently doing. As you can see here, I have some white smoke that's coming out the exhaust tailpipe. And I also have some smoke coming out the exhaust where it connects to the engine. But after only about 15 minutes, I noticed the smoke stopped coming out the tailpipe and the engine, which is a really good sign. And once 50 minutes does pass, it's time to go ahead and shut your vehicle off. And at this point, my vehicle was dangerously close to overheating, and I almost had to abort. But luckily, it just barely made it to 50 minutes without exceeding 230 degrees. Now I will let the engine completely cool down for at least 1 hour. Then open the radiator and top it back off. And now it's time for a test. So I'll go ahead and fire this back up. So I definitely had some doubts about this product actually working, but it seems to be fixed. There's no white smoke coming from my engine or the tailpipe, and my heater seems to be working as well. So for now, it looks like I'm good to go, which is great because this just saved me a tremendous amount of work. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you could hit that like button and please subscribe. And have yourself a great day, and I'll see you next time.